So if you have any troubles with the ChatGPT payment decline, I'm gonna be helping you all and figuring out maybe what can be the main reason. So the troubleshooting here between the metrics here is that sometimes there's a few sections that says, for example, card decline, step error, or there's an infinite loading wheel. Sometimes it happens, or sometimes it has like a high risk clear flag, or even a persistent getaway log. So the primary root, for example, like a card decline, maybe you misspelled the address, there's metadata mismatch, or you needed to re-enter. So to solve this specific problem, what you need to do, of course, is to re-enter the billing info inside an incognito window, which is going to be much more faster to get started here with this specific element of, in this case, ChatGPT. So make sure that you re-enter the billing info inside an incognito window, so all the tools actually works really fine. If you have an infinite loading wheel, you put your information, you hit subscribe, and there's an infinite, and nothing happens. Well, what you need to do is to disable some ad blockers or switch to web browsers. Currently, I'm actually using Google. So what you can do here, in my case, I have this specific ad blocker. So what I need to do is to click into the actual ad blocker and disable this. And just in case you're not able to disable this, then what you want to do is to enter, for example, somewhere else, for example, Microsoft Edge, sign back again into your ChatGPT account with the account you wanted to make the subscription, and you wanted to try this once again. Now, if there's a high risk clear flag, for example, sometimes this happens because you have an VPN already been enabled, or there's an IP routing. So you needed to turn that off, those active VPN nodes, and then you can now check the actual card region once again. And if there's a persistent getaway log from any device, browser, fingerprint ban, then you needed to execute the payment via Apple Pay, or you can do this Google Pay into the mobile. That means that instead of just browsing directly inside here, what you wanted to do is to go straight directly into your phone and make the actual subscription through Apple Pay, for example, or even Google Play, just to hit into subscribe, and you can use your fingerprints or your in this case like face recognition to make sure the subscription actually works really fine. So this is the actual step to completely get started inside there. If you have any questions, you can let me know in the comments below. But I think those are the most common mistakes happen when you want to make payments here into ChatGPT. So hopefully this was very useful, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And well, hopefully we can all see you next time.